Affirmations. How beautiful that sounds. Well, it means as beautiful as it sounds. And today we are going to talk about the most positive self talk, affirmations. First of all, thank you so much, each one of you, for all your likes, all your comments. It really motivates me and keeps me going. I'm truly grateful for that.
I say it is a beautiful topic for one reason, because it is the most beautiful positive self talk you can do to yourself. I always say that the relationship you share with your own self is very, very important, and affirmation brings you closer to your own self. What are you doing when you affirm? What are you doing actually? You're just motivating yourself. You are changing your mindset then and there. For example, if you're in a situation of anything going wrong at your professional front or at your personal front, and you think that you're getting really upset and hurt about it, the best thing you can do is affirm. Affirm strongly and try to change your mindset at that time. Try to change your thinking into a positive way that time. We always can steer our thoughts into the right way, and it really works. But I also want to add here, some of you must be thinking that we affirm a lot, we write it down also, we speak it out also, but it doesn't, add any value in our life. I want to tell you, if you do it on a very superficial level, it will never make a difference. You have to connect it to your heart. You have to connect it to your belief. When you affirm, you have to believe it strongly that this is true. When you are affirming, you have to at least believe that this is true. If you do it on a very superficial front, if you're just speaking or just writing, it will never work. The key of affirmation is you have to connect to the abundance. You have to connect to the universe. Yes, only then it will work. So today I'll be talking to you about different kind of affirmations that we have. The first one you all must be knowing. Those are called as magical practices. These are mentioned in a lot of different books. They are written affirmations. So in these affirmations, we tend to write what we want or you want to attract. Yes, whatever you think in your life, either it's money, health, wealth, success, anything you want to attract in your life, you pen it down every single day. You can do it for 11 days, for 21 days, you can do it forever, or 40 days. I do things for 40 days and it really works for me. Every day I write down what I strongly believe, whether or not it is the reality, but I want to attract that in my life. So I write it down and it really works. Please do try these written affirmations. I always stress upon writing because it is one way where your focus, your concentration is, with yourself. When you write it down, sit with yourself and, start writing. It really works. Now, when it comes to oral affirmations or when you speak out affirmations, these are affirmations which will happen depending on the situation you are in. So for example, if you are in a situation and you want to affirm something, then and there you do that. You think you're losing yourself or you are, getting very worked up or stressed about something, tell yourself, I am fine. It's okay. Tell it strongly, believe it, and I'm telling you, your mind is actually your genie. It will say yes. And it will change the mindset of that moment. I'm not saying that with affirmations you will be able to solve your problem or situation, but definitely it will give you a kind of motivation to face whatever it is. You will not feel that low comparatively. You will not be too much worked up. There will be a difference. How strong you affirm, how strongly you believe in that affirmation will make a change here in your mind and then outside you. So please, I always say in my self-talk video also I mentioned, never think negatively or never speak negatively to yourself. Always speak positively. Come up with positive self-talks. I am fine. It's okay. My day is going to be amazing. I am doing good. I am successful. So whatever you want to attract, and depending on each one of your situation, you have to create your own affirmations. Nobody will come or I will come and give you that this is what you have to affirm. No, you have to create your own affirmations depending on your life, your beliefs and your situations. I can though give you some examples, but it might work in some situations, it might not. Because as I mentioned, the belief you have when you're affirming, the connection to the abundance you show when you affirm will make the difference. So these 3 things I really want you to take care when you get into affirmations or this process of, self-talk, positive self-talk. The first thing is, however negative you feel, however negative the situation is, stop repeating it, stop saying it again and again. Rather, replace it with affirmations and affirm with a positive outlook. The second thing is, when you're affirming, I'm telling you again, connected with your belief, your faith, and connected to that abundance. The third and the most important thing, do not affirm on a superficial level. Do not affirm absent-mindedly, You're just writing for writing's sake or saying for saying's sake, thinking that things will change and this will happen, that will happen. It will not happen if you do it on a superficial level. You have to connect it with your own self, with your belief, with your faith and a very positive outlook. So these 3 things are major in affirmations, and do try it and let me know if it works for you. And if you think that you're not able to connect your affirmations to your belief and you say, Deepika, it's not working, how will this connect to our belief system? Well, I want to tell you that repeatedly when you affirm something with that conviction, with that faith, it becomes your belief. It becomes your reality because you are attracting that in your life. And when you do it with that conviction, things begin to happen. Do notice that. I would love to give you some examples of the most powerful affirmations I have come across. I will read it out for you. If it works for you, you can add this in your notes and affirm this strongly. I am the powerful, abundant creator of my life. Everything is always working out for me. My life flows with ease and grace. I effortlessly allow goodness into my life. I am widely successful. I am infinitely supported and loved. I am open to receive more abundance than I ever imagined. I trust myself. I am blessed. I am aware of and connected to my life's purpose on this planet. I am well received by all. Try these affirmations. They really work. Lastly, I would like to add that affirmations are words that confirm what we believe become the truth. Thank you so much, each one of you, for watching this video. I hope affirmations bring a lot of goodness and success in your life. Stay happy, stay blessed, and take good care of yourselves. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends, and do apply it in your life. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Affirmations motivate, inspire, and encourage us to take action and to realize our goals. They can change your life.